Are you tired of being broke and you are looking for easy way to make a money, but you have no idea of any business of your choice that you will start in this year? Worry no more, you are the right place. Today, I will show you step by step to start a small business idea in this year, and the business is going to give you profitable business ever. Make sure you watch to the end of this video because number three is one of the most profitable that you can start in this year. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Favour. If today is the first day across my channel, you are welcome. In this channel, we talk about business, how you can grow your business, manage it, and turn to your personal CEO and advertisement. Number one, we have delivering rider. If you have a bike, the only thing you need concerning this business is small capital like 15k to 20k for free. Once you have this 20k, starting this business is very simple. But worry no more. I will put you through how you can go through about this business and how you can make money inside this delivery rider. It's one of the profitable and it's small capital. You are free to go into this business. You will start this business like meet small shop, restaurants, or supermarket people. Tell them that you do a delivering service. Yes, if you meet all those supermarkets, all those shopping mall, you know this business is good and perfect for all this shopping mall. Just meet them, tell them what you do, that you are a delivery rider. Yes, and if they give you this business, you are going to make a lot. If you have the luck about this delivery service, like all those people you meet concerning this business, if you have the luck, you will find out that if you deliver one item, do you agree with me? They will pay you. Yes, if you deliver it to people, you know, some people don't like stress. Some people don't know how to drive a bike, or some don't have a right. That is why they're perfect on this delivering. Yes, if you're delivering to people, you are going to make a lot. Before day dark, you are going to make a lot concerning this business because this business moves smoothly. Yeah, please, this business is small. You don't need a million, you don't need a shop, you don't need a billion to start off this business. Just only your bike and money for fuel, like 20k to 15k. You are free to go into this business this year and you are going to make a lot of it. Like this delivering service, the most important thing that I will let you know concerning this business is that always be honest to people. Yes, once you are honest, this business is highway free for you to start in this year. And number two, we have the mobile car washer. This one is very simple business idea you can start in this year as a guy. Yes, it's one of the unique business that I love so much. You know, people hate dirty car, right? You can start this business by look for a small spot and start up your business over there. And this business is going to give you everyday daily income. Did you know what they call everyday daily income? Because any person that wash a car must surely pay, right? Either motorcycle, motor car, or even keke, all those mini bus. Once they wash their car, their bike, they are going to pay. That is why this business give everyday daily income. You can start this business with little capital in this year, and guess what? You are going to make a lot concerning this mobile car washer because in this Africa we have a lot of dust. If you wash your car this week now, before next week, you see the car, it will not be the same because there's a lot of dust on the road. That is why this business is always on point. And if you go to a place, normal spot where they normally wash car, you will see crowd over there. Do you know why? Some people are very lazy to wash their own car. For example, you wash a car like the community that I live, one car is 4,500. Do you know how much all those people is making? Only one car. They wash it with 4,500, some 5,000. It depends how the car is dirty. Some 5,000, 4,500. For example, now you wash up to 8 car. Calculate 5,000 to 8. You minus your expenses, your water, and your soap money. Business is full here in Africa. Business full. Either big business, small business. There are so many business you can just start with only 20k in this year, and it's going to give you what you don't expect. And number three, we have the cold drink stand business. I hope you all know the meaning of this business because it's all over in this Africa we are. With little capital, you can start up this business in this year. If you have like 25k to 20k, this business is free way for you to jump into in this year. You don't need a million before you can go into this cold stand business. Yes, there are so many things concerned inside this the cold drink business. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down how you can start it, make profit into this business, and you will love it. Let's back to the business. Like this stand cold drink business, you will start it like buy one cooler. I hope you know cooler balls, or you can buy a used one if you don't have too much capital to bargain on new one. You can buy a used one. Inside this box, you can add your ice, your drink, all those soft drink, mineral, Pepsi, Coke, everything that concerns soft drink. You can add it into this cooler. Yes, always make sure you wake up on time, or you put your eyes inside and you add all this mineral before you go out like around 9 or around 8 to 9. The drink, the water will be go chill. And you look for a small spot like all those spot like near traffic, near bus spots where all those driver park, where they normally park. If you know all those driver that like all these things, all these mineral of a thing because of stress. You can start this business in this year, just only 20K. If you can able to buy a cooler, 20K to 25K is enough for you to start this business this year. Guess what? Many people that are into this business, doing this business in this year, they are making a lot. For example, you sell up to 15 pack. Do you know how much you are going to make in that business? This one, you don't need a shop, just a spot near traffic. Yes, you know all those traffic, all those busy places like where people normally pass. Yes, this business moves smoothly, especially traffic or bus stop. All those where people, all the driver normally park. You can go there, meet all those people. You start your business over there, and guess what? You are going to make a lot of money concerning this business because we are in the summertime now. Everywhere is hot in this Africa. Everywhere is hot. People need cold drink. People need cold water. That is why this business moves smoothly. Just only your cooler. You can able to start this business in this year. I guarantee you 100% of it. If you go into this business this year, you are going to make a lot concerning this business, and you will not lack. Yes, if you find this video helpful, please turn on your thumbs up, your subscribe button, and comment, and also share to someone who needs business idea in this year.